I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube for support. YouTube does not have a contact phone number, so you have to do it through their YouTube studio. First thing you want to do is go to your channel, scroll to your right, click on your logo, and then you go to YouTube Studio. Once you go into YouTube Studio, here on your top right, you have a chat with creator support. You just click on that, and boom, YouTube help is there. Now, first of all, you're going to work with an AI chatbot. Once you work with AI chatbot and you still have an issue with your account or your YouTube channel, if your chatbot can't resolve your issue, then it's going to take you to a live agent. Let's type in, I need to speak to a live agent. Okay, here's the best way to get help. Contact us. So monetize, YouTube policy. And here you can see it great. Please wait while support specialist joins the chat. Okay, but that's all too, guys.